Class 12 students. Now I'll do differentiation of implicit functions. See, one sum is given, x square plus y square equal to a square. If we differentiate both sides with respect to x, here you have to write differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then ddx of x square, here ddx of y square, here ddx of a square. ddx of a square, this a square is constant, so it will be 0. Now ddx of x to the power n formula, n into x to the power n minus 1, that is 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1. That power 1 I have not written. Again y to the power 2, apply x to the power n formula, n into, that is 2 into x to the power n minus 1, that is y to the power 2 minus 1. Again y I consider x, that's why dy dx we have to do. Now 2x that side take, that will be minus 2x. This side plus, this side minus. This 2 cancel, and this y will go right side, that is minus x by y is the answer. Dy dx value minus x by y. Next this one, x cube plus 3x square y plus y cube equal to a cube. Differentiating both sides with respect to x. This line you write. Then this one ddx of x cube means n into x to the power n minus 1, that is 3 into x to the power 3 minus 1, plus 3 into this one uv formula, u into v differentiation, that is x square is u, y is v. So u ddx of v, see ddx of v means y, plus v ddx of u. ddx of u means ddx of x square, that will be 2x, plus here y to the power n, that is x to the power n formula, n into x to the power n minus 1. X I consider y, y I consider x. So x to the power n minus 1 means y to the power 3 minus 1, that is 2. Again y I consider x, again dy dx, that is chain rule. Now this dy dx containing term, see here, if you multiply 3 into this and 3 into this here, then this. Now take dy dx containing term in the left hand side, this one and this one. Take dy dx common, and other term, this one and this one, you take in the right hand side. This side minus, that side it will be plus. Now this one into, after going that side it will be divide. So 3 cancel, this is the answer. Now see this sum, ddx of x square minus ddx of 2xy plus ddx of y square minus ddx of 2x equal to 0. So here x to the power n formula, n into, that is 2 into x to the power 2 minus 1, that is 1. 2 into this is uv differentiation. See u ddx of v plus v ddx of u. So x into ddx of y means dy dx, and y into ddx of x means 1. So that one I have not written here. Then ddx of y square, that is 2y dy dx. Y I consider x, that's why dy dx again. And 2 into ddx of x is 1. Now see, after multiplying the dy dx here, from these two I took dy dx common. So here 2y left and here 2x left, and other two terms I send in the, this term also I send in the right side. Now this side into, going that side it will be divide. So this is the answer. After taking 2 common, this is the answer. This one, see ddx of this, ddx of this, ddx of this. So x to the power n formula, n into x to the power n minus 1. Here n into x to the power n minus 1. Since y I consider x, so again into dy dx, and that side constant differentiation is 0. So 2 by 3 minus 3 it will be, so minus 1 by 3 here. Here also minus 1 by 3. Now see, 2 by 3, you divide every term by 2 by 3. So this will cut, 0 by 2 by 3, it will be 0 only. So this one you take now right hand side. This y will come down. So this is the answer. The last line you see, y to the power minus 3 you keep above, it will be plus. X to the power minus 1 by 3 you keep down, it will be plus. Next, this one, without taking logarithm, this function cannot be differentiated. Both sides you have to take log. Then log y equal to log this. Now log this means this power x to the power y, that will jump and come front. Then this side u into v. So log y differentiation 1 by y into dy dx, because y we consider as x. Log x differentiation 1 by x into again dy dx. Y into log x differentiation 1 by x plus log x into y differentiation dy dx. Now this term you bring left side, because dy dx containing term, see these two take common. dy dx containing term you take in the left hand side, and other term, this one you keep right side. Then after taking dy dx common, this will go down, and after simplification you will get the answer. This one also both side you take log, then log this means log this plus log this, log u plus v. So 3 will jump front, 4 will jump front. Here also 7 will jump front. Now if you differentiate, then 3 into log x differentiation 1 by x, 4 into log y differentiation 1 by y into dy dx, because y is considered as x. Again log this means 1 by this into ddx of this. ddx of this means x is, ddx of x is 1, ddx of y means dy dx. So this one you multiply inside. Now dy dx containing term, this one and this one, bring left side, and this term take right side. And from left side you take dy dx common and take this one LCM. Then this one cut. Now this one into, after going that side, you see this one also same, it will cut. So this y, it will go that side, will go up. Y by x is the answer. Now 6 number part 1, you see both side if you take log, this sum is very easy, you can do. I am not explaining this sum. This one also I am not explaining, because log property applied here, log u plus log v. Then power jump front, then u into v differentiation, and constant will be 0. After that it is done. This also, this sum also, x to the power y to the power x equal to c, same sum. So that's all for this.